Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Fast Forced Profits review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'll just refresh my dashboard here and show you my latest results in my members area. So my total earn now in this box here is $104.76. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join our team through the link in the description, and we are the fastest growing team within Fast Force Profits. The beauty of this system is not just the income. This is a massive traffic program, and the greatest feature of this is that your traffic grows bigger every month for a year. And that is huge. You're not just going to get traffic, you're going to get traffic that's growing every single year, so you can promote to thousands and thousands more prospects every single month. People are saying this is the highest paying matrix within the industry. So I'll just show you some information on that shortly. If you're looking to get into passive income profit fast, there are some fast start bonuses that you can earn as an affiliate, and the reason for that is you can then earn profitable passive monthly income, and then you can get your traffic for free. And then once you get beyond getting your traffic for free, you can get into profit, and then you can scale up. One of the biggest features of the compensation plan are the check matching bonuses, and this is where you can earn the bigger income. There's potential for spillover. There's no guarantees, but there's potential for spillover because it's a force matrix and you're joining the fastest growing team. So you may get spillover. We don't guarantee that, but research in the past has shown that by joining a fast growing team, spillover's got more chance of happening. And what's really key here, as an affiliate, not just a member, but as an affiliate, 80% are upgrading to a tri-pack, which would mean more passive income commissions for yourself. So there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, or any guarantees in this video. Excuse me. It is for educational purposes only. So I want to show you now. Let me show you. I've shown you the income. Let me show. I'm going to go into see my matrix. I want to show you, give you some proof. Go into fast force matrix here, 2x12. I want to show you some proof that the members are upgrading to the tri-pack. Now, the reason for upgrading to the tri-pack, if you see here, this is me, Barry Cross. I've come down 7 generations and I've got a team of 44. Now, when I upgraded to tri-pack, what happens is you'll see I get a slot here and a slot here. And what this does, this is a very unique, there's no other compensation plan, no other pay plan in the industry like this. When you upgrade to tri-pack, they give you 2 slots in the matrix below yourself, and that means you immediately earn check matching bonus. So we'll just come to that shortly and show you again how that works. And when I scroll down here, I'm going to open up all these levels to show you how far down it goes. I referred Scott, and Scott's got a tri-pack. You'll see here his username, SRG Leads, SRG Leads, SRG Leads. I referred Ahmed. Ahmed bought a tri-pack. Now if we click on one of Scott's matrix positions here, you'll see Scott's referred Jason. Jason's bought a tri-pack. And his other leg here, Scott's referred Mike. Mike hasn't bought a tri-pack, but Mike sponsored Zach, and Zach has bought a tri-pack down here. Come down, let's click on Zach, one of Zach's levels. Zach has, I think he's referred himself again. So he's really looking to earn some good commissions. Now let's go back into another leg. Let's just go back and let's have a look at Ahmed. Look at one of Ahmed's legs. So Ahmed has got a team of 16. See here, team of 16. Ahmed has referred Bob. Bob's got a tri-pack. Here's Bob. Ahmed's also referred Earl. Earl's bought a tri-pack. Earl has referred Richard and Terry and Bob. I haven't come down these levels yet. These are quite new levels. Let's have a look at these levels down here. Okay. So here's Tom. Tom Conzi. Tom's bought a tri-pack. So I don't want to go into every leg and show you every leg. I just want to just give you an overview and show you that Scott's got a team of 16, Ahmed's got a team of 24, and I've got a team total of 44. I think I joined this about a week ago, so it's starting to build very, very nicely. Now, regarding the compensation plan, the link in the description will take you to a video. I'll show you that shortly. But this is the most, let's call it the most powerful pay plan in the marketplace. But the check matching bonus, 25% is where the bigger money is. So you can pause the video and look at that. But what I recommend you do is click the link in the description and watch this 10-minute video here on where it says this is a super powerful compensation plan that pays them more than any matrix I've personally seen in the industry. Watch that video there. And then if you want to join, just click here. If you want some company information, here's an in-depth look at the company. I'll also pin this link to the first comment below the video you're watching now. If you want some company information and the huge value of the traffic and the pay plan it provides, then a great video here, and you can click the button there to get started. So the traffic is safe list traffic. Now, the reason they use safe list traffic is because email marketing works. If you look at one of my videos on my channel, I currently email over 800,000 prospects when I send out my emails with email marketing. I'm a member of all these safe lists you'll see in the description. So there's only two methods of promotion that I've ever used to earn over, well, approaching $50,000 online in commissions: video marketing and email marketing. Because email marketing is absolutely huge. Now, the beauty of the safe list that you're going to get with the traffic are a pre-built audience, and they include tier 1 traffic and buyers. So every safe list that you join includes tier 1 traffic and buyers, but they're a huge pre-built audience of thousands of members. Now, what happens here with the single pack, these are the prices, $9.95 a month. What happens is you can qualify for the generational bonus. So you get fast start bonus, you get commissions, fast start bonus, but you get the upgrades in the safe list, and you get an upgrade every single month to one of Dave Mosher's. Dave Mosher is a safe list expert. He's got 100 safe lists, and you're going to get an upgrade to a new safe list every single month. So by the end of this year, you'll be emailing over 500,000 prospects when you email out to these safe lists. With the tri-pack at $29.85 a month, you get treble that traffic. So you're going to be emailing out, and you're also going to get additional income. You're going to be emailing out, so I think it's about 1.5 million prospects when you email out. So the traffic is huge, and what we teach you when you join our team, you promote a lead capture page to these safe lists, and you take them from the safe list onto your own list. That's how it works. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. So currently on the channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week. If you've got any questions about fast force profits, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. Did forget to mention we've also got a Facebook group, so we're here to help support and train you as well. And I also put my email address, always put my email address in the description. So if you want to contact me anytime, that's the email address to reach me on. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So the link in the description and the link pinned to the first comment at this page here. This one here. Come and get some more information. Have a look at the pay plan. Just watch this video here. Have a look at the pay plan. And then the page here will take you to a joining page. You click on there, and then you can join here, get set up, and then come and join a winning team. We'd love to have you working with us. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.